equals 3x, then let's have it to be solution. So from here, let's take the square of both sides to be root x multiplied by open parenthesis 1 plus x. Then we close it. We take the square of both this equals 3x. Then we take square. So from here, you call that when we have ab in parentheses to the power of 2, this equals as a square and multiplied by b square. Here will be root x in parentheses to the power of 2, then multiply by 1 plus x in parentheses to the power of 2 equals, here will be 3 square multiplied by x square. So this and this we cancel. We have x multiplied by 1 plus x in parentheses to the power of 2 equals 9x squared. So from here, when we have this to be x, this will be 1 plus 2x plus x squared, the expansion of this one, then everything equals 9x squared. Then let's multiply through by this. This will give us x plus 2x squared plus x cube equals 9x squared. Then let's take this 9x squared to this side. This implies that we are going to have x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus x minus 9x squared. Then we have to set everything to be equal to 0. Then from here, we have x to the power of 3. This is 2x squared minus 9x squared. Here will be minus 7x squared. Then plus x equals 0. We can see that x is common, so we can factor it out. And here will be x. Let's factor it out. This x cube divided by x, here will be x squared. Minus 7x squared divided by this x will be minus 7x plus x divided by x will give us 1. Then we have everything to be equal to 0. Then recall that when we have AB to be equal to 0, now what we are saying is that for this expression AB to be equal to 0 is either we have this A to be equal to 0 or we have B to be equal to 0. For this expression to be equal to 0. Likewise happen to this one is either we have x to be equal to 0 or we have x squared minus 7x plus 1 to be equal to 0. Meaning that the first solution we are going to have for this problem is x equals 0. And from here as well, let's use quadratic formula where we are going to have x to be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac, then divided by 2a. Where the parameter a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, where the parameter b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 7, where parameter c is 1. So when we substitute everything here, we are going to have x to be equals minus 7 will be minus outside, open parenthesis, minus 7, positive or negative, root of minus 7 in parenthesis to the power of 2, 4 multiplied by a is 1, c is also 1. Then divided by 2 times 1. So from here we have x to be equals 7. Minus and minus will be plus, positive or negative, square root of 7 squared will give us 49. Then 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 will give us 4. Then divided by 2. So we can have this to be equals 7, positive or negative, root of 49 minus 7 will give us 40. 49 minus 4 will give us 45 divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals 7, positive or negative. We can have 45 to be 9 times 5, then divided by 2. Then let us recall that when we have root of AB equals as root A multiplied by root B. So from here, we are going to have x to be equals 7, positive or negative, root 9 multiplied by root 5 divided by 2. So from here, we have x to be equals 7, positive or negative. This, we know that root 9 is a perfect square. We can have it to be root of 3 to the power of 2. And this, we cancel this. We have here to be 3. So here will be 3 multiplied by root 5 divided by 2. So finally, we have x to be equals, you can say x1 equals 0. x2 from here will be 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 2. And x3 will be equals 7 minus 3 root 5 divided by 2. So this is the value of x for the problem given to us. So now to check, recall that we have root x in parentheses 1 plus x then equals 3x. Then what will be the value of, then when x equals 0, which is from x1, what we are going to have from here will be root of 0 multiplied by 1 plus 0. Then it's going to give us the same thing as 3 multiplied by 0. So from here, root 0 will give us 0 multiplied by 0 plus 1 will give us 1. Then it's going to give us 3 times 0 will give us 0. So from here, we have 0 to be equals 0. 0 times 1 will give us 0. So far the left hand side equals to the right hand side. So x equals 0 satisfy the problem given to us. Then let's also check for x equals 7 plus root 3, 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 2. So from here, we are going to have 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 2 in parentheses to the power of 1 divided by 2 because of this half, because of this root, then plus 1 plus 7 plus root 3 root 5 divided by 2. Then it's going to give us 3 multiplied by 1 plus 7, 3 multiplied by 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 2. So now you can complete your answer to this place. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye-bye.